Although I somehow kind of feel that I'm cheating. I don't know why, but it just kind of seems that it's too easy. So here's the thing. I think it's a viable way of reaching people. I think it's a viable way. The fact that, as I say, I'm getting up close to 1 billion views, 900 and some odd thousand. And there are so many subscribers and stuff, and I'm now beginning to see people going through to the Fifield Studio, which is where the website is, where my books are, and so on and so forth, and beginning to see some traffic through there. It's a viable means of doing stuff, but I think it's something that if you want to do it, you do it because you're doing it because you like doing it, because you want to do it, because you've got something to say, not because you think you're going to make a living out of this, or because you think it's going to elevate you in some way or other. Undoubtedly, there are people that are being very successful, really, really successful, and making an awful lot of money and doing an awful lot of things that are very financially viable with it, but like anything, they're going to be like 1% of 1% or something that are going to be really, really successful here. But I'd like to thank those that have watched, and I'd like to thank those that are still watching now. I'm going to keep you posted as to how things are going. If you'd like to know how I got to where I got, and how I managed to get that many subscribers and that many views and so on, then please drop me a comment. Like, subscribe, whatever, but drop me a comment, and we can start having a bit of discussion. I'll answer whatever questions, and if necessary, I'll put together another video, and I'll go into more detail as to how things can be done. I am not a guru, and I'm not looking to make any financial gain out of any of this at all. I'll just share what I picked up. As I say, it's not something that I've done in any way I've got no idea how this algorithm works. I've got no idea how you can be successful. All I can do is recount what I've done, and you can go and check out what the results are and see whether it's something that you find it's useful and you'd like to be part of, or like to use a similar methodology. Purely up to you. Anyway, thanks ever so much for watching. Thanks ever so much for subscribing, those of you that have, and picking up on the more structured and hopefully a bit more useful bits of information that I'm putting out there. My name's John. It's been nice talking to you. Toodles. Bye-bye.